Ujjayi Breath emanates the qualities of success, victory and expansion. Exactly what we need when it comes to pregnancy and when it comes to birthing too. So Ujjayi Breath, known as a pranayama in yoga, is wonderful because you can use it to uplift and energize you, and you can also use it to calm, to focus and to smooth away tension. So this is a brilliant breathing practice to learn and practice during pregnancy, because relaxation in pregnancy is just a fantastic thing to be doing. And having learnt and got to grips with this breathing practice in pregnancy, you can then apply it to your labour and birthing. So in labour, it's going to help you to lower your blood pressure, to release tension, to stay calm and keep your focus. And then when it comes to birthing, the downward energy of this breath will support your baby's passage through the birth path and to birthing. So this is just a wonderful breath, and I'm going to show you how to practice that now. We need to come into a nice, comfortable, aligned, seated position so that our torso is upright and our lungs are in the best position for us to receive breath. So there's a number of ways to do that. You can, if you're comfortable sitting down on the ground, then I would recommend using a couple of blocks, as I've got here, to elevate your pelvis. Or you can use cushions, or you can sit on a chair. It's really up to you. The main thing is that your pelvis is in a nice neutral position, so you can tip it forwards and backwards and then find that neutral space. When you bring the pelvis to neutral, you'll notice a natural lift up through the spine. Then you want to draw your shoulders back and down and lift up through the back of the neck and through the crown of the head. And just sitting, so you'll be making some effort to stay aligned, but you also want to be able to release some tension too. So it's kind of a gentle balance between effort and receiving. So once you've found your nice aligned position, I'd just like you to close your eyes if you can, and just start to allow the breath to flow in and out through the nose. Just make sure that your face is soft, so the muscles across the forehead, in and around the eyes, the jaw is released, and you can just get a sense of relaxation across the shoulders. We're just inviting a nice breath in through the nose, breath out through the nose. Good. And as you're breathing, I want you to soften your belly and allow the breath to fill your belly, moving in towards your baby. And then as you breathe out, just draw your tummy muscles in towards you, like you're hugging your baby in with your tummy muscles, just gently. And then we're breathing in through the nose again. Allow that breath to expand up into the ribs as well. And then drawing your baby in towards you with your tummy muscles as you breathe out. And a nice full breath in again. You may find that the upper chest starts to expand a little bit as well. So we're just working to establish a nice full breath. Good. So with the eyes closed, just allow that breath to fall into place. Okay, now if you already know Ujjayi Breath and you're just practicing along with us, feel free to switch that on and just continue breathing. So now I'm going to show you how, or demonstrate how to get to grips with the Ujjayi Breath. So what we do is Let's all take a breath in through the nose. Then I want you to sigh out through the mouth. So we're all capable of a nice big sigh. So go for it. Big breath in through the nose. Sigh out through the mouth. Big breath in through the nose. And a sigh. Well done. Okay, so you will have noticed that as you're sighing, you will notice a very gentle kind of constriction in the back of the throat, just a gentle switch on. So that allows you to create the sound. So on the out breath, it's like a sigh, but on the in breath, it's almost like a gasp. So it's a out through the nose. Join me if you can. Big breath in. And again. Again, it's the same kind of gentle constriction at the back of the throat that creates the sound, and a kind of wisping, swirling sensation at the back of the throat. So to do the Ujjayi breath, we just create that in the throat as if we're sighing and gasping, but we do it with the mouth closed. And it's definitely not about gasping. It was just to give you an idea of the kind of sensation you should experience in the throat. So we're going to take a breath in. We'll do this practice now with the mouth closed, but with that gentle switching on in the throat area. So breathing in and out, mouth closed. And again. Keep going. Keep going with that. As you're breathing in, you're feeling that expansion of the belly, the ribs, the upper chest. And as you're breathing out, you're feeling that your tummy muscles are drawing in and you're exhaling fully. One more. Okay. So that's the Ujjayi breath, and we were working with that in an even inhale to even exhale. So the inhale was the same length as the exhale. To make this breath super relaxing and to really bring yourself into that relaxed space that we want to be in when we're labouring and when we're birthing, we want to extend the out breath. So we're going to do that Ujjayi breath, but we're going to breathe in for a count of 3 and then extend the exhale for a count of 6. So again, this is a really personal, unique practice for you. If you find that 2 in is better and 4 out is better, then go for that. Or you may be able to extend it to 4 counts in and 8 counts out. It's up to you how you use it. The main thing is not to be forcing anything and to allow just a natural, smooth flow of breath. But what we're aiming for now is a nice long exhale. So let's inhale, exhale. Inhale for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, in, 2, 3. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. You don't need to be too precise with the count. What you really want to do is just extend the exhale. I find that counting helps me stay focused on that, but it's really up to you. So let's do this together. Breath in. Let's go for 5 more rounds. Keep going. With each exhalation, just feel the face soft, the shoulders release, the jaw release. Breathing in. And then just let go of any control of the breath. Bring your hands to heart center. Keep the eyes closed if they're closed. And just tune in to how you feel after taking a bit of time just to focus in on breathing fully, mindfully, and in a way that's going to release tension. Well done.